Welcome back to Dear Peachy. Korean-inspired makeup looks are known for their subtle way of enhancing natural beauty. They focus on glowing, clear skin, a soft flush of color on the cheeks, and minimal eye makeup to create a calm, harmonious look that lets your natural features shine through. In today's video, we're featuring Akina, a rising Chinese makeup influencer on Red Note, as she puts her own spin on this aesthetic. She adds a unique twist by incorporating sculpted contour and highlights to enhance the structure and forward projection of the face, a technique often emphasized in Chinese makeup styles. In Chinese beauty discussions, there's even a term for this, bone structure beauty, referring to sharp, defined features like high cheekbones and a chiseled jawline. Akina's look today is a beautiful blend of Korean softness and Chinese structure, perfect for those of you who want something elegant, yet defined. With over 46,000 followers on her platform, Akina's doll-like visuals may catch your eye, but it's her makeup tutorials that keep her audience coming back. Many of her videos even include English subtitles, so there's no excuse not to check her out. Before starting her makeup, Akina puts on a pair of milky brown-colored contact lenses, a popular choice among K-idols and models. These lenses have a larger graphic diameter, which helps make the eyes appear bigger. The dark brown outer rim adds definition, while the inner ring transitions into a soft milk tea brown, creating a subtle, natural-looking gradient that softens the eyes. Akina mentions that these are her favorite lenses because they enhance her features without being too obvious, just the right touch of natural glam. The inspiration for her look today comes from Korean Instagram models, who often focus on a natural-ish vibe, subtle yet refined. For her base, Akina uses the YSL Glow Packed Cushion, a lightweight and moisturizing formula that provides just enough coverage while leaving a satin-like finish on the skin. She follows up with a lip balm to prep and hydrate her lips. Moving on to contouring, she uses the Out of Office Duo Contour Pencil. Akina explains that her goal is to achieve a sculpted and defined look that still feels soft and elegant. She applies the cream contour to key areas, the root and tip of her nose, the outer corners of her eyes, the sides of her cheeks and cheekbones, and the edges of her forehead, carefully shaping her features to create that signature structured effect. One important tip to keep in mind: avoid extending your contour too close to the center of your face, as the contour naturally transitions from the sides toward the middle. Bringing it in too far can make the shading appear harsh and unnatural. Next, Akina reaches for the Mayo Gur Ping Matte Highlighter Cream, applying it to the inner zones of the face where light naturally hits. These areas include the center of the forehead, brow bones, under eye area, especially the tear trough, tops of the cheekbones, inner cheeks, nose tip, chin, and inner corners of the eyes. She gently blends everything in using a makeup sponge. For blush, she uses the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush in the shade Latte, a soft coral tone. She applies it to the outer third of her eyelids, the sides of her cheeks, and the outer area of her forehead. This placement helps tie the entire look together, ensuring the colors flow harmoniously across the face. The next step is to highlight the smaller features using a nude-toned eyeshadow. Akina applies it to the brow bone, inner corners of the eyes, and the tip of the nose for a subtle lift and brightness. For eyeliner, she opts for a dark brown eyeshadow and uses a flat edge brush to draw a straight line from the outer corner of the eye, elongating her eye shape for a soft, sultry effect. On the lower lash line, she switches to a lighter brown shade, lining from the outer third toward the center of her eye. The same shade is used to contour the Agyo Sale. She then curls her lashes and applies mascara to lengthen and define them. For brows, a softer, less angular shape is preferred in this look. To lighten and soften the overall brow intensity, she finishes with a tinted brow gel. A light pink blush is added to the inner cheeks, which helps to brighten the mid-face and enhance that innocent glow. To make the eyes pop, she applies a pearly cream highlighter just below the lower lash line, right under the center of the iris. Then, using a nude cream highlighter, she adds a touch to the tops of her cheekbones to mimic a dewy, healthy glow. For the lips, she begins with a baby pink lip color as a base. then layers a light pink gloss on top for that juicy, pouty finish. And that's it for today's look. A soft yet structured blend of Korean and Chinese beauty styles that enhances your natural features while adding a touch of elegance. Will you recreate Akina's look too? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.